want to ask something? Ada yang mau nanya nggak dari materi measuring? Kalau misalnya nggak ada yang...
Saya
Dista duluan.
Tapi pakai bahasa Inggris. Soalnya ini direkam.
Okay, I want to ask them.
Ya.
Okay, please slide characteristic slide. Okay, thank you. And then I want to ask point 2, reliability. What is reliability, and how do we measure reliability?
Wait.
Okay.
Thank you. And
Okay.
Dista?
I want to ask, what do you think, guys, the solution is if the measurement purpose fails?
Sorry, Dis, can you repeat it?
Okay. What do you think, guys, the solution is if the measurement purpose fails?
Yeah, thank you. Is there any question, Ken? Thank you, Dista, for the question.
Me.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, Alip, you can go asking.
So, what did you do if your students or pupils deliberately set their test score to be as low as possible?
I'm sorry,
Yeah.
Alip, can you repeat what you said because your voice was really cracked?
What did you do if your students deliberately set their scores to be as low as possible, even though you know they have what it takes in your lesson? Thank you.
Okay, and one question again in this section. Is there anyone who want to ask something?
Me. Yeah.
Okay. Who is it? Dava? Imam? Is it you? Can you turn on your camera, please?
Okay, sorry. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Okay. What is kind of consequential relevance? That's it, Young.
What? Sorry.
What is kind of consequential relevance? Can you explain that? Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Ajeng, thank you. There was a quick 4 question, I guess, that we got from Mus, Adista, Halif, and then Dava. And then how that you are going to answer this question, I want each of the member from this group, they will have their own kind of answer, yeah? Starting from the first question till the 4th question. Ajeng, you have your own kind of answer, and also with the other member of this group. Okay, and then after this group already explained or already answering the question, all the participants also from this class, you guys can give your opinion, you guys can give your perspective about the question also. So it is not only belong to this group, but it's also referred to all of the students from this class. Yeah. And for those that giving the question, I'll give them an extra point. Yeah. So you guys will have an extra point. So you have a chance to get a good score for this subject. Yeah, that's all. I'm leaving Ajeng and all of this A class, guys. See you for next quiz that we are going to have next week. Ya, last saya assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya.
Yeah, wait for a minute, guys, because we have to discuss it first. Thank you. Hello. Yeah. Right now I'm gonna answer the question from Dista. Dista, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. For your question, my groups was already discussed it. We think that measurement itself, it can be failed. Why? Because measurement is the steps from the testing. If the measurement was failed, we have to ask it with the students first, and we have to evaluate it in testing first, because measuring is the what is it, the things that was already passed from the testing that we already did it for the students. Yeah, I guess that's it, Lista.
Okay, I can understand. Thank you, Ajeng.
You're welcome. And for the rest of the question, please be waiting, because we still discuss it. Thank you.
One more.
Okay. Alif.
Yeah.
I will answer your question. Okay. We already discussed about the answer, and the answer is we as a future teacher, we should doing an evaluation to give the student more know about their progress in learning or studying something. Because the bad habit from the student is like lazy or something, it's hard to remove. We as a future teacher should tell or give them a motivation to do a better progress in learning or studying, like that. It's enough, Alif.
I don't. I didn't mean that the student is lazy. It's just he deliberately put his score as low as possible for some reason.
Alif,
Yes.
can you repeat again the question slowly?
So you're a teacher. Then
As a
there's
teacher.
yes.
Okay.
Then there's one of your students that yes, they are they are smart, but for some reason
Hmm.
they
Hmm.
deliberately put their
Hmm.
test score to as low
Hmm.
as possible. So they're not lazy. What
But
will you do if that's happen?
they smart, but
He's smart,
hmm.
but for some reason he deliberately put
Hmm.
his test score for as low as possible.
Okay. Wait.
Okay, Mus, I will answer your question. Mulyadi. Mus, I will answer most question is reliability refers to the consistency of the assessment result in general, informal, class-based assessment made by teacher are not directly related to the concept of reliability, as this type of assessment does not require big factor statistic analysis, but they are involved informally with the concept. That's all.
Okay, next I will answer the question from Imam. Consequential relevance, it means when the educators spend precious instructional time administering and scoring assessment, they want the utility of the results to be worth the time and effort they spend to assess their students. They want to understand the data and use it to meaningfully adjust their instruction and better support student learning.
Okay, then. Thank you.
Jung.
Okay, you're welcome.
Jung.
Yeah, Mus.
Okay, this is about my question. Thank you for your answer. And how if like this? Maybe people tend to try to remember the answer beforehand instead of focus on the question. What do you think about this?
Sorry, I just don't got the point. What do you mean?
I mean, students tend to try to remember answer, not focus the question.
Mm?
Yes. What do you think about this?
Okay, we will gonna answer it later, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Mus.
Yeah.
Mus. Hello, can you hear me, Mus?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm gonna answer your question that you asked a few minutes ago. If we found a case like that, we think, as the future teacher, we have to evaluate it first and find out the reason why they being like that. Because um, as a teacher, we have to help them to understand the materials so they can answer our question, not just remember the answer, but they also have to understand the question that we gave to them. So if we found out the case like that, we have to our evaluate our methods when we try to teach them and found out the reason why they being like that. That's it, Mus.
Okay.
Yeah. And we're gonna open the second section, and there will be 4 questions.
Wait, Jung.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I will answer one more question. Alif.
Yeah.
Yeah. We think that maybe your question is not much in our material because measuring is about a process to measure. But I will answer. It's okay. As a teacher, we should give their motivation evaluation because if the student smart, she or he will not deliberately put their scores low as possible. And I think it's called lazy. I think. And obviously, she or he feels like smart and he or she like delay their score. As a teacher, we have to give them an announcement because it's not good.
See. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. So after Faisal was already answered Alif question, we're gonna open the second section for Q&A. Thanks. And we're gonna have 4 question from you guys. Do you guys want ask something about this material?
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
I want to ask some question. It's in slide characteristic of measuring. So in there is there are 5 of characteristic, yes. But what if one of them is not exist? What if one of them is not exist? And that's all.
Yeah. I'm gonna answer it right now, I guess, Ferdian.
Okay.
If the 5 characters and one of characters was not even exist, we as a teacher or future teacher has to evaluate ourselves why the characteristic one of the characteristic was not exist, because as a teacher we have to give them the best from us and for teaching them the material that we should give to them. Yeah. So that's it. And that's the reason why there's a learning evaluation. Because if one thing was not even exist, we have to evaluate ourselves as a teacher, the one who teach the students. That's it, Ferdian.
Okay, thanks for the answer.
Yeah, you're welcome. And is there any question? We need 3 question again from you guys.
Ajeng, I want to ask.
Yeah, who is it? Oh, Rina.
I'm Rina. Back to slide measuring function.
Measuring function, please.
Function.
Yeah, I think Tiara got a problem with the share screen. Yep.
Yeah. Here there are three functions, right? Prognosis function and diagnosis function, and then research. Next. Now, here is prognosis is like we have to test an AQ like test, right? And then diagnosis is how we know the characteristic. And then for the research, can you give the example from research, the function of research? Because I haven't understand how that
Example of what?
From research function.
Just from research, right? Okay, thank you, Rina. And then, is there any question?
Test.
Yeah.
Test.
Yeah.
Oh, there's my voice.
Yeah, there's your voice, Nabil.
Okay, wait. I got some question. Is there any possibility for the mistake when we do measuring for student? And what kind of problem that can make that happen? Is it clear?
Yeah, wait. I'm just read it. Okay, thank you for the question.
Okay, you're welcome.
And the last question, who wants to give it? Guys, is there no one?
I think no one.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you guys randomly. I'm gonna choose who will got a question from our group. Let me choose it first.
Ajeng.
Who is it speaking? Faisal. What happened?
We should answer the question.
What?
I think we should.
Faisal, we can hear you clearly. Faisal?
Yeah. Can you hear my voice?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Putski want to ask something.
Okay.
Putski.
Utski, are you there?
Hello, can you hear my voice?
Yeah, yeah, Puts.
Measuring, there are three, direct, indirect, and relative. Can you give the example from three type of them? Is it clear?
Can you repeat again?
Bentar. Mana sih? In there are three types of measuring. Can you tell us the example from that? From direct, indirect, and relative.
Okay, I got it. Thank
Yes,
you,
thank
Putri.
you. Yes.
Yeah. Hello, Nabil. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. I want to answer your question. Actually, your question was almost same as Dista, and yeah, we already answered it a few minutes ago. We think that there's no possibility. Why? Because yeah, measurement is the second steps after testing, and in measurement itself is we try to give our conclusion based on the student's condition, score, and achievement. So if the students will not even reach the score that we already standard, we have to evaluate it and back it again on the testing step. That's it, Nabil.
Okay, thank you
Yeah,
very much.
you're welcome. For the rest of the question, please be wait because we still discuss it. Thank you.
Okay, I will answer the question from Rina. Okay, so the measurement is usually considered as completely valid measure of certain human characteristic. And an investigator must treat test scores in this experiment as accurate quantification of real and useful variable. Measurement provides a more objective and dependable basis for comparison than those raw impression. And the example, like to measure the student abilities in learning. I think that's it, Rina.
Okay, thank you, Tiara.
Putski, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, I'll answer your question. There are three types of measuring: direct, indirect, and relative. And the example, direct, if you want to measure like the length and breadth of the table, it's called direct by tools. And if you want to find out the temperature of substance by a thermometer, after that, calculate the height by substance, it's called indirect. And the last, if you want to measure intelligence of someone relative to measurement and the score obtained an intelligence test compared with norms and relative with education, it's called relative. Do you understand?
Yes, thank you, Tiara.
You're welcome.
Okay, I guess that's enough from our groups, and I already screenshot the absent for today. And yeah, we're really sorry if there's any mistake from our group. Thank you so much for the attention. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you guys.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye.